Hey everyone! Today I'm teaching you everything you can do in Gacha life. The creator is gone, so this timing is perfect. First up there's a mini game called Life, right here. You can talk to the people. If you chat long enough, then you have no space left to chat, unless you buy gifts with gems. Then you can chat again.
Do you want your child to learn English?
A, B, C, D.
Don't mind the
In the morning, brush your teeth.
Lingo Kids is the most complete English.
Don't mind, I'm obsessed. Down there, click status and it will show you your friendship with the people. Next, click games. It'll show you some games. Pick one. You can also create a video. Choose go to studio. You can move the dialogue around and pose. Oh no, the creator's coming. I hope this helped with your fun in Gacha. Bye.